So now it's time for our finishing touch. Get our mayonnaise, put it on top. Make sure you put it nice and smooth. More, and then we get a little bit more. You don't put too much. You don't put too much. We don't put enough. So it stay juicy, alright? Next, our hamburger patty. There we are. So then we put that on top. There. Then we go to our secret chili. Let it cook a little bit. Now we got, you don't need too much, just one spoonful. Let it get on there. There we go. So we got that. Then we go over our egg. We didn't overcook. You see the yolk still kind of wet in there, like that. So we put that on top. Next one, our gravy. Only a small bit. You don't need too much. You don't need too much. The finishing touch, we want to make it look pretty. We're going to garnish it with a little bit of our green onion. And, oh pow, we're done. And that is your Loco Moco with chili. Thank you. Thank you. Come again.